Hello YouTube, iFixItAll here, Team iFixItAll. So, got a couple of chickens here. Chicken saddles. Let's take a look here. What do we got going on? What? Hang on. Geez, Louise. So you take a pair of jeans and you cut the back pockets out. And you make yourself some DIY chicken saddles. Because these girls, their feathers were torn up badly. I'm not trying to do nothing to you. They don't seem to fit too well. I'm still working out the details on it. But they're holding place, which is what I wanted. Let's see if Miss Suntan over here has got a saddle. No, she does not. Let's check out another one. Hang on. Yep, we got a saddle girl back here. Saddleback. There you go. How's it going? I can't see anything. So let me show you guys how I make those. So we got an assortment of pockets here, and what we do is get some different light here. Turn that on. Now, depending on how big your chicken is, maybe pockets from women's jeans would be smaller and more applicable. And the larger chickens, maybe men's jeans, but source them from old clothes or Goodwill or whatever. What I do is take a piece of wire like this. It's going to be my threading needle. And I get me a punch. This could stand to be sharpened. What I've learned is this is the best orientation for the pocket, meaning put the point up toward the chicken head. And I'm going to go right in. I choose a different pocket actually. Yeah, I might go with this one. So this will be the back end of the chicken. This is the front end of the chicken. Right between those stitches where there's a lot of layers of fabric, I'll come down about 1 inch and I'll poke through. Open that up a little bit. Keep my punch in there. Grab one of these elastic hair thingies, whatever they're called. Pull the punch out. Feed that through. And that ought to be good enough. Take this other side. Push it through. Take up as much slack as you desire. Let's do the other side. I'll change the light a little bit here. trying to stretch that fabric out so it's easier to fish the needle through. You'll see a lot of confusing photoshopped images of chicken saddles on the web. Like, what are they trying to achieve? I've seen 3-point. I've seen 3-points that look to me like if the chickens are free ranging, it's likely they could be kind of dangerous, because imagine that saddle getting snagged on brush. They're stuck. With these type here, the chicken can actually get this snagged in brush, and it can literally flap its wings and get out of it. So what you do is you feed the wing through here, pull the wing all the way up to the body where the wing begins at the body, and this would be oriented like so. The wing is, the chicken body is right here. The wing goes forward, bends, and comes back. So this is basically encircling the area where the wing is, the wing joint, the first bone coming out of the ribs. The wing would be like that, and like that. And this is for the other wing. So basically this is just trapped on their back, and it's for when roosters mount them and breed, they tear up the hens' backs. So this is a DIY solution to putting things to use on the chickens that you would normally just throw away. Like, I come up with a lot of shop rags that generally ends up being worn out clothing. And we have about 5 hens that are suffering really bad from getting their backs torn up. So, so far it's working really well. Let's go try to find a hen and see if there's a barred rock I can show you. As a matter of fact, we can locate these hens a lot easier. Get them all in one spot. Get the marshmallows. Oh God. And we got our little guys. Come on, guys, join the club. The little peeps. The little guys. Come on, girls. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. So we've got, huh?
Turtle didn't get one.
Turtle?
Yeah, turtle's afraid to go in, I think.
So that one there looks like, well, dang it. Here. Come on. There. Now Turtle can get one. So there's a barred rock right there. Hers is a little bit too big for her. I'm going to have to swap that one out. But honestly, it's staying centered. I think it's doing its job for now. I should now re-engineer the way I have these little saddles, is get pockets from women's jeans and then pockets from men's jeans, because here this Australorp fits perfectly fine. You know, it's fitting her profile just fine. Here's another Australorp. Seems like it's holding on to her just fine. Willie here just has a couple feathers. We may put one on her. She's starting to get a little bare right there. Not on her wing, but in the below her neck. So now I think I have one more chicken. Hi guys, you want to be YouTube famous? Huh? There you go. All of you are YouTube famous now. That's my solution for chicken saddles. You guys have a great day. See ya.